if I told you there are only 4 steps that separate you from making $100 per day? Yes, these $100 per day are not impossible with the right strategy. You could easily scale this up to $200 and beyond. Well, actually, let me log into my PayPal account to show you live proof. As you just saw, it works. And no, we are not posting this to brag. We just wanted to share with you the endless possibilities. But before we get too far, I'm guessing by now you've probably seen and heard all kinds of things about CPA marketing. How to get more traffic using multiple tools, how to get better conversions, and all kinds of other stuff. All that is great, but it recently dawned on me that there hasn't been much newbie-friendly training on how to get started. I mean, what good are all those tools if you don't even know how to take the first step? Well, let's fix this. It's no secret that this whole internet marketing thing can be really frustrating. There's so many people trying to get you to buy their stuff. They've got all kinds of shiny objects and want you to think they have the magic solution so you can lay around in a hammock after you buy a Ferrari and take your private jet to London for breakfast and New York for lunch. What a joke. Sure, those are great goals to aim for, but what about when you're first getting started? Wouldn't it be cool to at least figure out how to replace your job with something you can do from your laptop? Maybe even make enough extra income to pay the rent. Wouldn't it be cool to have something simple you can get started with from your kitchen table? I know that's what I needed when I first got started. You see, I'm a single mom and my kids always have to come first no matter what else is going on, and takes time to raise them the right way. Between them and work and figuring out what to do after my divorce, I was busy. Heck, I'm still busy. Sure, a Ferrari would be a lot of fun to drive, but it would be so hard to fit my kids in there with me, let alone have the space for all the groceries they eat. And now that they are teenagers, they eat even more and need even more time than they used to. So I needed a solution pretty badly, and job doesn't cut it. Not even a better paying one, because it still doesn't fix the problem. I know I'm not the only one that's ever had that problem. My partner Ram was in a fix too when he started. He used to work 14 hours per day building cars and was only making $700 a month. I mean, holy cow. He needed something even more flexible than I did because he only had few minutes to spare. And that's what led us both to CPA marketing, because it is something you can start small, fit into a crazy schedule, and build in bigger as you go along. So where did it get us? Well, I got the income and the time I needed so badly so I can take care of my kids. And what about $700 a month that Ram used to make? Well, now he makes that every couple of days. So you can safely say he got the freedom and the time too. Now, I asked a few questions at the start of this video, but here's the only one you really need to answer. Do you want to take back the control of your time and money? Because you can, and we want to show you how to do it with CPA marketing. Ram and I knew what it's like to struggle when you're first getting started, and we don't want you to have to. That's why we teamed up to create a newbie-friendly guide to $100 per day and more with CPA marketing called CPA Drill. You're about to get what could be the most intensive guide you're going to find anywhere on how to start, build, and maintain your own CPA marketing business. You are going to get 76 jam-packed pages showing you step-by-step how to pick a hot niche, get signed up for the best CPA networks, build your sales funnel, and then drive highly targeted buyers who are eager to buy your stuff. And if that is not enough, you get to watch over Ram's shoulder in step-by-step videos too. We've removed all the guesswork by showing you exactly which buttons to push, so you know exactly how to put this all together and start generating daily CPA commissions fast. And that is not all. We are going to show you the most expensive mistakes we've made on the way too. I mean, why would you want to go out and make a bunch of huge expensive mistakes when you can learn from ours? Seriously, how many other coaches are willing to show you their mistakes? This is the most stripped down, simple, step-by-step guide we could come up with on starting, building, and maintaining your CPA business. So, to recap, you're about to get highly detailed step-by-step guide on starting, building, and maintaining your CPA business. This isn't a theory or some collection of ideas we got from somewhere else. We do this every single day, and now we are showing you exactly what you need to do so you can also be successful in CPA marketing. In fact, we are so sure of what we are sharing with you, we are even guaranteeing the results. If you don't get at least your money back out of this training, we'll refund you every penny you spent with us. How can you go wrong? Before I end this video, I have to get real for a minute. This does require a little bit of work. It is not hard work, but you do have to be consistent, because even though you can build this fast, it's not going to just happen with a push of a button. You can't just put in 10 minutes here and there and expect to get real results suggesting you can. But if you're willing to keep putting in the work and following what we share, you will get there. You probably won't get a Ferrari in the first year, maybe not even the second, but we can help you get your freedom back. More time with your kids, time to travel the world, or time to enjoy your favorite hobby. It is time now to turn your monthly income into daily income. So the choice is yours. You can stay where you're at doing the same thing day in, day out, or you can take charge, make a few changes, and get your life back. Get this powerful step-by-step course today and get started. You deserve a better life, and we want to help you get there. Oh, and on last thought, we are not sure how long we are going to run this offer. Honestly, we know we should be charging a lot more for this information because it works so well, and we did think about it, but we didn't want to price it so high that it's impossible for you to get started either. So for a very limited time, we dropped it to a ridiculously low entry price. So pick it up today before we change our minds, and we look forward to working with you.